Hello, great learners. You're welcome once again to my channel. In today's lecture, we're looking at a question on what? On matrix. We have the matrix P is equals to 2, 1, minus 3, 0. And we're asked to evaluate this. P squared minus 2P plus 4 I. The I there stands for the unit matrix. We also call that identity. All right. Now, let's start by resolving this right now. But before we go into that, if you're seeing this channel for the very first time, why not hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification when we post interesting topic as the one you're listening to right now. So let's proceed. Now, first of all, now let's get P squared. P squared now simply means we should multiply the elements in the matrix P by what? By itself. By itself. So resolving P squared now, this will give us what? Each row will multiply the elements in each what? Column. So 2 times 2, that gives us 4. Then plus 1 times minus 3, that's minus 3. Okay? Then for the next one, 2 times 1, that's 2. Then 1 times 0, that's 0. Right? Then we'll go out to the next row. Minus 3 times 2, that's negative 6. And 0 times what? 0 times minus 3, that's what? Minus 3. Okay. Then minus 3 times 1, that's minus 3. And 0 times 0, that will give us what? 0. Now, having done this, the outcome of the P square will give us what? 4 minus 3, that's 1. 2 plus 0, that's 2. Then minus 6 minus 3, that will give us sorry, I think we're making a mistake here. Minus 2 times 3, that's minus 6. Then 0 times minus 3, that's 0. Sorry, yes, 0. That's 0. Okay, so minus 6 plus 0, that's minus 6. All right, okay. Okay, so minus 3 plus 0, that's minus 3 here. All right, now this is the outcome of what? Of P squared. That's the outcome of P squared. Each row multiplying what? Each column. Okay, now let's get to what now? Let's get to minus 2P. Minus 2P, simply, okay, no, let's go with 2P rather. So that means we're multiplying the what? The element in what? In the set P by what? By 2. So we're trying to resolve them individually first. All right. So here, the 2 multiply each of what? The elements here to give us what? 2 times 2, yes, 4. 2 times 1, yes, 2. 2 times minus 3, yes, minus 6. And 2 times 0, that's what? That's 0. So that's for 2P. Okay, then we'll go to 4I. We'll go to 4I. Now, 4I simply means we should multiply 4 with the unit matrix 2. Now, a 2 by 2 unit matrix, the elements there are what? 1, 0, 0, 1. Those are the elements in a what? In a 2 by 2 matrix. Now, let's go ahead now. So this will produce for us 4 times 1, that's 4. 4 times 0, that's 0. 4 times 0, that's 0. And 4 times 1, that is 4. Okay, I've gotten all the what? All the various terms here now. We've gotten P squared as what? As this. We've gotten 2P as this. We've gotten 4I as this. Now resolving all together now, based on what? Based on the expression given to us. So P squared outcome gave us what now? P squared we have 1, 2, minus 6 minus 3. That is sign here is minus. Then 2P gave us what? 4, 2. And minus 6, 0. Then we have positive sign here. Then y 4I gave us what? 4, 0, 0, 4. All right. Now, when we resolve this now, we're going to have what now? 1 minus 4, that's minus 3. Then minus 3 plus 4, that will give us 1. Then next, 2 minus 2, that's 0. 0 plus 0, that's 0. Okay? Then next, minus 6 minus minus 6. Minus minus will give us positive. So minus 6 plus 6, that's 0. Then 0 plus 0, that's 0 as well. Then we have minus 3 minus 0, that is minus 3 as well. Then minus 3 plus 4, that will give us what? 1. So this is the outcome of what? Of this problem here being solved right now. So in other words, what we end up having is what? We end up having a 2 by 2 identity as what? As our final what? Answer to this very what? To this very question. So that will be the size of the package today. Now, if you've gotten any value from this very interesting question on matrix, why not hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification when we post interesting topic as the one you just listened to. And don't also forget, these are some of the kind of questions you see in your WAEC and your JAM examination. So until I see you in our next lecture, don't forget, this is Maths Theatre TV, and your success is my delight. Peace.